So this is an MITV, okay, Android OS. So I'm going to enable the developer mode. So for that, right, you need to go to the settings. First, go to settings. Go to settings. Sorry. Yeah. Go to settings and then additional settings. And then come to device preferences. So here you can see this about section. And just scroll down, okay, and here you need to tap this build for 7 times. So this is the build, right? We need to tap it for 7 times. 2 3 4 5 6 7. So now you are a developer. So see, now if I'm going back, I can see this developer options where it is. So guys, you can see this developer options. So that's it, friends. Now if you want to connect right to Android Studio, you need to enable this USB debugging mode, okay? Allow USB debugging mode. So you need to give that. Once you connect it through wire, your TV from PC to TV. In your smart TV, you have more than 2 ports, okay, 2 USB ports. So you need to check which one is working, okay? I have 2 ports, but I have got this USB debugging message only from 1 port, okay? So you need to connect. So USB type C also is working fine, okay, but TV has USB type A. So what I need to do is I need to give always allow if you want, okay, then give okay. That's fine. Now I'm going to verify in Android Studio. First I will check this command, ADB devices. I'll check in my PC. Yes, it's connected. So this is the TV name. Also I can check. Yes, Xiaomi TV is there. Now I'm going to connect it. Wow, my smart TV is connected, friends. Super cool, right? So that's it, friends. This is the way you can connect. Even I think mouse also will be working fine. Yes, mouse also working. Also I can connect. I have this Scrappy. Okay, download this Scrappy software. I will be providing the link in the descriptions once connected, right? Yes, it's connected, friends. Now you can watch the TV on your, you can record actually. You can record. So I can choose remote. Yes, that's it, friends. Hope definitely this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks, media forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.